In this video, we'll show you how to sign in and use 2 Apple IDs on a single iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to the channel. This guide will walk you through each step, so stick around to learn how to do it. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're in the settings, scroll up to the top, and you should see the Apple ID that's currently signed in on your device. Tap on it. You can use separate Apple IDs for iCloud and the App Store, which is what we'll do here. Now scroll down and find Media and Purchases and tap on it. Next, you'll need to select Sign Out and confirm your choice. This will log you out of the App Store, but you'll remain signed in for iCloud. Now, exit the settings and head to the App Store. Once there, tap the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Then, select Sign In to log into your Apple account. At this point, you can sign in with the same Apple ID you use for iCloud or tap Not Apple ID to use a different one. And that's it. Now you can enjoy the flexibility of using 2 separate Apple IDs on one iPhone.